Alright, so this video I'm going to be trying to fix up the garage door. And I'm probably going to repaint the exterior of it too, so it matches the house nicely, because I didn't paint the house. This is the stuff that I bought online. Just some cheap 3M rubber gasket, whatever, and it comes with screws and clips. And they just go right in the side there. Kind of nice. When I bought this kit, it comes with these. Put it through there, screw it on, and covers it. But for now, I'm only going to do a couple of them, get started, and then I'll come back and fill in where I need them on the whole door. Alright, so it looks like I got them all on there. I did put a couple extra screws on the bottom, because that's where it's probably going to fall off if I hit something with it, but it turned out alright. I'm not the biggest fan on how the top turned out. It also is, I mean, it's warm out, but it's not really warm, so the adhesive doesn't really stick the greatest, but yeah, I think that will work for now. Besides replacing the garage door, which I might do later, but after it's painted and have all that on there, it looks nice. So let's get going on the next one.